Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to do another fun unwrapping of a gift from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box. And today is gift number 8. Look at that. I love the addition of the Santa and the reindeer. It's so pretty. All right, so this is kind of a soft package. There we go. It's got something over here, but let's just dive right in. You ready? Okay, let's open gift number 8. Oops. No, I'm tearing the package. It's not what I want to do. There we go. All right, you ready? Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, there's several things in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Is it empty? It's empty. Okay. This is, again, gift number 8. Oh, wow. I got to take a look at this. There's 4 things in this package. Oh, how fun. This is a Hexie cell phone clutch. Project pattern, oh wow, for 5-inch square. So you're telling me that the charm pack that we got yesterday, let me get it. This one right here. Oh wow, look. This is the project for the clutch. That's so cool because that is the fabric right there. And they're little hexies. Oh, cool. Okay, so let's take a look. Wow. Look at the size of this frame. This is amazing. Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is huge. This is amazing. And it's a one-sided clutch that opens up. Oh, cool. But look at that frame. That is a very, very nice purse frame. You see that there? Very nice. Okay, so we've got the pattern. We have a package of So Light fusible interfacing, which is 20 inches by 12 inches. Okay, so that's got to be used for this. We have our Hexie templates here. There we go. And the pattern. So let's see what the pattern says. Its sample project is done by Strawberry Lemonade by Sherry and Chelsea, which is this fabric we got yesterday. The project size is 4 3/4 by 8.5. That's a very good size, which is great because the cell phones nowadays are fairly large. So this should cover the majority of all of our cell phones. I know it'll cover mine because my cell phone is not that big, but with the outer case, it is. So it'll fit nicely with room to spare. Very cool. Okay, so we need the 5-inch print squares, which we received yesterday. A metal kiss lock clasp purse frame, which we have. A 50-count package of 1-inch paper, hexagon shapes, which they provided. And the piece of 12 by 20-inch interfacing. Then you just need some batting, pearl cotton thread, size 8, embroidery needle, spray-based temporary adhesive, and water-soluble glue stick. And look, it says fabric included in the box on a previous day. And it was. That's what we got yesterday. All right, I'm not going to share the pattern, but let's look at just the picture here. That's cool. That's very cool. All right. Any other pictures in here? Nope. All right. So that is the project. So this was the present from yesterday, number 7, which was yesterday. And this is number 8. And that is the color numbers of the fabric. So if you wanted to order additional fabric, then we know that's the collection. So very cool project. I'm going to keep this and make this. This is really cool. I'm excited to do this. And happy with today's present. I hope you are too. We had a lot of fun opening this. So I hope you enjoyed. unwrapping this gift, number 8. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV for more fun tomorrow when we open present number 9. And until then, take care, have a wonderful day, and happy stitching. Bye-bye.